You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Italian drink. If you want to learn more Italian names, Italian drink names, food names that are very confusing but so interesting, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. So the Italian pronunciation here, this is an amaro or bitter drink. Fernet Branca is the Italian pronunciation. Fernet, of course you roll the R in Italian. Fernet Branca. Therefore in English it's quite easy to pronounce. Yes, you do pronounce the T. Fernet Branca. Fernet Branca. From Italian, Fernet Branca. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.